It gives me great pleasure to address the first Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit to take place in the United States of America. As a global energy and growing industrial hub, the UAE is building on its leadership as a reliable energy provider to expand into the energies of the future.
Abu Dhabi has established itself as a preferred destination for business and is a perfect gateway to the Middle East, Africa, and South Asian economies.
We are eager to capitalize on this opportunity to raise the level of collaboration between US and UAE industry to new and higher levels.
The last few years, the United Arab Emirates government has given so much and so many incentives to do business in the United Arab Emirates.
We have the competitive office that ensures the competitiveness of Emirates of Abu Dhabi and ease of doing business, so we look into all aspects.
We consider ourselves as one of the leaders in industrial developments in the region of the GCC and the Middle East.
We started one production line and now we've got around 24 production lines of aerostructure components. All of these production lines are single source. There's no one else in the world is making these parts apart from us. The largest component that we're making is a collaboration with Boeing.
These are areas that provide collaboration opportunities between industries here and industries in the UAE.
A key ethos for us is partnerships, and what we're forging with Triumph is a great example of how US and UAE champions and industry players are coming together not just to service the UAE, but also to service the region.
UAE was a role model of building that infrastructures during the COVID.
Next month, we do have the Moon Rover, which is launching from Florida, and that is funded by the ICT Fund, in addition to the astronaut program, which hopefully the second one is going up next March into space.
We want to make sure that in the UAE, our manufacturing players are at the frontier of this new fourth industrial revolution.